Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for 20 bucks. And today we are doing pasta. No, I'm not making freshly made pasta. I wish I had that skill, but I don't. But we are going to be making a pasta Alfredo with mixed veggies that I had left over from when I made the so-called chickpea omelet that turned into a scramble. So I don't want to waste these vegetables, so we are going to make a freshly made Alfredo sauce, and yeah, that's what we're about to do. These are the ingredients that we are going to use to make this pasta Alfredo. I got these shells at Target, and these were 99 cents a box. I've soaked my cashews overnight because that's what's going to give the creaminess for the Alfredo. I have a few mushrooms left, so that's going in. I have some peppers. I have some broccoli that I don't want to have go to waste. Coconut cream. I got this from my little bodega / market, and it's organic cream coconut. So I'm going to use this, not a whole thing, but just a little bit to add with the Oat Milk Khalifa 3. I'm using some plant butter and garlic and the vegetables that I had chopped for the so-called scramble that was supposed to be an omelet. So these were already chopped up. So we're gonna get this started. I'm gonna saute this up a little bit before I make the sauce. So or I might just fold it into it because I really don't like my vegetables to be soggy. So whatever the ancestors say. The pasta is boiling. I am going to make the Alfredo sauce, and I use cashews that I soaked overnight. I use the water of it. Okay. I'll do that. Put this out the way. A little cashew. I put nutritional yeast in it because that gives it its cheesy flavor. I put vegetable broth in it. Just a little, just to give it a little, flavor. A little bit of garlic. That's gonna be garlic chow. Then, of course, I do the seasonings. Little garlic salt. Little Himalayan salt. I'm using this up because I'm going to switch over to sea salt. And I kind of want to get where I have little, the things where you just dash it, because I feel that makes you look and a little bit more like a cook or a chef. I just love when they have the little, let me just put a little sprig, because this right here is a lot. Okay, so I'm putting the pepper in there, a little onion powder, and I'm also using this the spice blend, and it has basil, oregano, parsley, fennel seed, lavender, rosemary, sage, thyme, and marjoram. I think that's how you pronounce it. Chad. Put that in there. I just love the way this smells. Okay? So next thing we're gonna do is blend it up. It's important to soak the cashews prior because they're hard and you don't want to mess up your blender. Look, there you go. There you go. So let's taste it first before I start heating it, because then I can see what it's missing and what it's not missing, Well, that's good. I'm going to put a little splash of oat milk to thin it out a little bit. I should have shook it up. Hold on. Yeah, that's a little better. Just to smooth it out, because it's a little chunky but funky. I'm also going to put a little splash of coconut amino because I am addicted. It's not coconut amino. I'm going to put a liquid amino in there because I don't have any coconut amino right now. I'm addicted to amino. I put it in everything. It just gives it a little, I don't know. I don't know what they put in it, but give a high five to whoever invented coconut amino. Okay, it is finished. I sprinkled a little bit of feta cheese. I also topped it with some oregano and some scallions. Macaroni in the pot. You hear it. It's creamy. Yes, let's try it. You see that heat coming off of it? Oh, yes. And that feta gives it a little kick, too. So, cheers. Oh, yeah. Next time I'll put some sun-dried tomatoes on it. Ooh, that would be really good.